Is our little puppy, Finch. Wanted to do a video of him as well. Finch is 7 pounds. He is 6.5 weeks old, ready for his new home on May 4th. He is a standard Aussie. His parents are standards. He is on the smaller end in the litter, so I'm gonna guess that Finch is probably gonna be around 45 pounds full grown, maybe 50. But this puppy is a lap puppy. He just is content sitting in your lap, watching his litter mates play. Then he'll get down and be super playful, but he's just a Velcro puppy. If you want a quiet, smaller little guy that just wants to be in your lap and be with you all the time, this is your puppy. He's so sweet. He loves toys, but he wants to play and sit with people. Black tri, obviously, 2 brown eyes. He is, come here. Oh, did you find some energy? Really good copper on him. This copper, his eyebrows will get a lot darker. He's got the copper down his legs. He's probably gonna have a couple little freckles on his nose, if you can see that. That's from his daddy, De Niro. Super cute. These little eyebrows will get darker. He's got a really cute little hair coat, nice and full. Little bit of white on his neck right here, a little half collar. This side doesn't have any black on this side, but super cute little guy, smaller, he's a pretty calm puppy. Like I said, he just loves to be in somebody's lap. So inquire about Finch. He's a cute little guy.